Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that can truly transform your life: meditation for positive energy. In the hustle and bustle of daily life, it's easy to get overwhelmed by stress and negativity. But with meditation, you can bring more positivity into your life and create a sense of inner peace. Let's explore how meditation can help you cultivate positive energy. First and foremost, meditation helps to clear your mind of negative thoughts. When you meditate, you focus on the present moment, which allows you to let go of the worries and anxieties that often clutter your mind. This mental clarity can help you shift your focus from negative thoughts to more positive ones, creating a more optimistic outlook on life. Next, meditation helps you connect with your inner self. By taking time to sit in stillness and silence, you become more aware of your thoughts and emotions. This self-awareness allows you to recognize patterns that might be draining your energy and replace them with positive affirmations and intentions. Over time, this practice can lead to a more positive and empowered mindset. Another benefit is the reduction of stress and anxiety. When you meditate, your body relaxes and your mind slows down. This relaxation response lowers the production of stress hormones like cortisol and increases the production of feel-good hormones like serotonin. As a result, you'll feel more calm, centered, and filled with positive energy. Meditation also enhances your emotional resilience. Regular meditation practice helps you develop the ability to stay grounded and positive, even in challenging situations. Instead of reacting to stress with frustration or anger, you'll be able to approach problems with a calm and balanced mindset, maintaining your positive energy. Finally, meditation fosters a sense of gratitude and contentment. By focusing on the present moment and appreciating the simple things in life, meditation helps you cultivate gratitude. This gratitude, in turn, fills your life with positive energy, making you feel more fulfilled and at peace with yourself and the world around you. So, if you're looking to bring more positivity into your life, meditation is a powerful tool that can help you do just that. Whether you're new to meditation or have been practicing for years, taking a few minutes each day to meditate can make a world of difference in your energy levels and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on health and wellness. And as always, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.